Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel DIY with Pranali. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Today I am decorating things which are otherwise would be thrown away, and I want to demonstrate you ideas of decorating jars. Enjoy watching the video. Let's start with the decorative candle. It will be better to take a small jar. I took a jar with straight walls. I am going to make a candle jar. First, take a cardboard piece and draw a circle shape according to the cap of jar you have taken. Then cut it out. I am planning to decorate a jar lid with the help of pistachio shells. For this, I have taken some pistachio shells which are clean and dry. Making a flower shape, so firstly bird is being made of two shells. Try to find two similar size of shells and stick it together with the help of glue gun. Then take a cardboard circle and place a bird in the center, and then start adding more petals until you are satisfied with its size. I am placing this rose on the top of jar lid, and it will be spin always. That's why I decided to stick it with a glue gun. But as you can see, it is not looking nice from the side view. There are some gaps between the flower and the lid. So to give it a finished look, I am adding some more petals, but this time I am sticking it to the jar lid directly. Finally, the flower is ready and it's already looking so good. It's time to color the jar. Jar were colored in a light pink color. This time we will paint jar from inside. Later on we will fill it with wax. I am using acrylic color here. Give it some nice 2-3 coats so that there should not be any blank spot visible. Similarly, I am coloring lid with a golden metallic color. I want to give this candle a rustic look, that's why I use this golden color. While coloring lid, make sure you colored each petal from inside and outside for the nice finished look, or you can simply spray paint it. So the decoration part is completed. Now we will move to the final step, which is filling a wax into the jar. I have so many used candles and birthday candles which are not completely burned out of wax, so I decided to use them. I took out all the wax from candle holder, then melt it down with a double boiler method. I don't have a candle wick, so I am using a thread here. If you like a flavored candle, you can add few drops of essential oil in it. The process of making candle is pretty simple. Take a stick, tie a thread or a wick on it, then place it on the jar and fill a jar with a melted wax. These candles can be used to decorate interior, and cap will save wax from dust. If you add essential oil, the evaporating effect will be amazing. one more jar idea, but this time I am using this old Chyawanprash bottle and some pistachio shells. But this time I am not making roses, we are making a flower with 3 petals. I glued them on the jar using hot glue gun. It better to use high strength glue to connect everything on well. I glued flowers on jar neck to make them somewhere narrow, somewhere wide. It's more interesting, isn't it? From one side, I decreased flowers level till the middle of jar. I covered the jar, narrowing with flowers. You can make them different in size, some big, some small. It's more natural and more alive effect. After flowers were ready, I took some pearls and placed one pearl to the center of each flower. After that, we will color jar with the help of acrylic spray paint. You can use the brush as well. Whenever you use spray paint, you need to color it fast and from some distance so that the color can spread evenly. In addition, I am doing some detailing with a golden color, highlighted flower petal with thin golden lines. As a result, flowers look very attractive. It looks like a porcelain vase. If they don't know what it's made of, they won't say it's a Chyawanprash bottle covered with a pista shells. If you like a glassy decor, you can color it in a silver or golden metallic color. That's it for today. Please write in comments which idea you like the most. If you like this video, the best way to support is to subscribe and always watch my videos. Goodbye everyone.